timelines before listing a home. I often get asked by people about timelines when they're selling. What should they expect? Well, after working with lots of sellers here in Jupiter and the Palm Beaches, it's a question that we get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams. Well, we need to get your home ready for sale. You really want to make sure that you're careful not just to slap your home on the MLS prior to it being in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with us, we'll give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we'll then schedule an appointment with our stager, who's an interior designer, to come over and give you recommendations on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home so that you get the maximum return on your investment. And don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for the service, but we do think that it's an essential thing because research shows the importance of staging. Staged homes have been shown to sell faster and for more money. So we also offer free partial staging of your home, and it costs nothing more. Once a home is in show-ready condition, then we'll schedule our professional photographer and videographer to come to the home and capitalize on all the unique features of the home. Once we have these pictures and the videos back, we'll then work on all of the back-end digital marketing so that we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money for your house. We don't just put up a sign in the yard and stick it in the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that's like no other. It involves running highly targeted ads across multiple social media platforms. Please note, just by posting your video on your Facebook page or even a business page, it only reaches about 3% of your friends. So instead, we probably expose your home across multiple platforms with paid ads. During this time, we also recommend whether or not you should have any inspections done prior to going in the MLS. And we'll also go over all of the disclosures with you so that we have these available for buyers to look at. This way, they're fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. And don't worry, we go into all the major sites like Zillow.com, Realtor.com, and Homes.com. And depending on your listing price, we might also list it in Barron's Online and the Wall Street Journal online. Once we're up and running, we'll have an open house on the first day of showing. Market conditions and pricing will help determine how long it'll actually take for your home to sell. Again, this is Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges, and we're making realty dreams a reality. Bye, friends.